Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. I think it's safe to say that we know average testosterone levels are dropping year on year because fundamentally we live in a sick society and we don't live according to our physiology, which is wake up, hunt, get food, take it back to the tribe, chill, hopefully have a bit of nookie, sleep, repeat. Day, night, day, night, day, night. Us men, we're very simple creatures. Makes life easy, doesn't it? However, we have to deal with women. I'm joking. So, average testosterone levels are dropping. Men with low testosterone have a semblance of low mood, anxiety, depersonalization, fatigue, the list goes on. We want to feel normal with normal testosterone levels. We do want to avoid high testosterone levels because paradoxically, that's not good because life's all about what? Balance, harmony. You need contrast in order to establish harmony. Yin, yang, get it? It's a lesson we learn as we get older because you believe that life is all about hedonistic pursuits. But it's not, is it? It's about finding purpose and meaning. Being a healthy member of a productive community. We live in tribes for a reason. Because we are stronger together. And TMHC is a family. We've literally come back from the fan dance last week and people are buzzing. The fan dance is the 15-mile Special Forces testing ground. We didn't do it fully loaded. We didn't do it with a rifle. Would have got arrested. But it was challenging. It was a personal challenge and a collective challenge because we got everybody round safely. There were a couple of walking wounded at the end because their knees gave up a little bit. It is a challenging course, which is why the Special Forces choose to do it. It's deceptive. It tricks you. You're on your way back and you think that's Jacob's ladder. And you go, no, that's not Jacob's ladder. Jacob's ladder's around the corner. Jacob's ladder, the road to hell. It will test your resolve. But it literally is 1 foot in front of the other. Do not stop. Much like life. With low testosterone, you're stuck in this purgatory. What shall I do? What shall I do? You have self-pity. You don't feel very good. You must understand this. Your body doesn't care less about your emotions. Wake up. You know what I'm going to say. So, do something. Make a positive change to your life because nobody's going to do it for you. You have to be the director and the hero of your own movie. Apply a level of objectivity to your subjective experience. When you reach for the cookie, no, the director's going to say no because the hero doesn't do that. When you reach for the bottle of gin, no, don't do that. When you engage in negative behaviors, that's not what the hero would do. I mean, come on, nobody wants to be Luke. We want to be Hans. There's a little devil in all of us. That's not a bad thing because we like to be a little bit cheeky. Being cheeky is good fun, but it's likely that being a bit naughty has got you into trouble in our modern perverse world. Now, in hunter-gatherer days, high testosterone would positively impact the amygdala to make you less risk adverse. Now, if you're hunting, great. You might jump over that river to catch that impala or whatever you're trying to hunt. We are sort of expendable compared to women. Day, night, day, night, day, night. Somebody will replace us as chief hunter. So it's up to you to be the best hunter. So this testosterone that makes you hopefully a more effective hunter in our world makes us take the path of least resistance to maximum reward, which ultimately causes harm. you fancy a quick line? Do you fancy... No. So we must avoid these negative behaviours. We must what? Yeah, earn our reward. Fundamentally, this is what life's all about. So, what more is there to say? Do not listen to your emotions. Your emotions are tricking you with low testosterone. Your emotions are tricking you with hormonal fluctuations. There is a reason why we microdose. The premise behind microdosing testosterone replacement therapy is to mimic physiology, which should be the ultimate goal of everything. To replicate how your body functions. Is it perfect? It's as close as damn it perfect, but nothing's perfect. Vince Lombardi, you cannot achieve perfection, but with effort you might achieve excellence.